Hello, we're ready to move on to our phonics piece of our work today. And we're going to reach back into our high frequency word list. All right, this is a routine and a pattern we've practiced multiple times already. But again, I'm going to challenge you to look at the high frequency word list and choose 5 words that you need to practice. All right, remember these high frequency means they're words that we see a lot and write a lot. Okay, so we're looking at, can we read them and can we spell them? All right, so first step will be to pick your 5 words from this list. Okay, and I've linked it right into Schoology, so you can click on it and see all the words. You'll pick 5 for today. Okay, step 1 is to say the word. Step 2, spell it. Step 3, read it. Step 4, write it. And step 5 is to practice it. Okay, practice it is use it in a sentence. All right. Okay, those sentences, you'll start by saying them aloud. But then the next step is to write a sentence for each one of the high frequency words in your English notebook. Don't forget the title. Okay, a good title would be High Frequency Word List. Or you could also use this Unit 2, Week 3, Day 1 that connects to the English pathway as your title. All right, once you've written your sentences, make sure that you read the sentences aloud one last time. You'll catch any capital letters you missed or any periods that you missed. All right, so good luck, 5th graders. Again, this will go right in your English notebook.